Good morning, Black Coffee Trader. How we doing? What a good line. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the game. Woke up a little late today. We got 2.5 minutes to get the day started. Let's have a good day today. Finished the day okay yesterday, so let's continue with the momentum. Market is still in this big range, so hopefully it continues. I really liked it. So I did talk, or did get an answer from Take Profit Trader about yes, remind me in 30 minutes. I did get an answer from Take Profit Trader about the Pro Plus account, so they're very selective now. So no more just 10K in one day. Obviously that was obvious in the statement that they gave, but even I guess like blowing up accounts, even if you're making a lot on sim and you're blowing accounts, they're not putting you to live. If I had to guess, they learned something. Once they took off the live accounts, they learned something. Something was beneficial to not have the Pro Plus accounts. All right, guys, 30 seconds to go. Let's hope the ORB is clean today. I didn't mark out my levels, so I gotta be careful. Okay, don't have to worry about levels too much. Market's open. Din. All right, we got that. Uh-oh. What happened with... Yeah, Lucid's messing up. I opened, only made $200. Well, 100-point candle right there. Oh, makes my 28 ticks look like a foolish trade. But that's it. That's how we make the money, baby. Let the haters hate. All right, let's switch and get to trading. Got a few new Apex PAs. And we can't even see all of the accounts that we have. Gonna make this even smaller. If I make it too small, can you guys still see the P&L? Or is it too small now? Maybe I could change the font, but that's not gonna help us. I might have to, eventually I might have to dedicate a whole side of the stream for the account. No, I play the volatility of the open, so I look for the rejections, and like I saw it failed to go to the low side, so I went long once it pushed up higher. But if it continued to go lower, I would have went short. So it's like I just watch what the market's gonna do, and just been going really well for me. It's something that turned my trading around for the good. It's obviously a little bit more tricky now. With gotta make a lot more profit, and these trades don't generate a lot of profit. So with the 50K accounts, you know, making $5,000, $6,000, $400 a day, it takes forever. But all good. Let's move on to the next account. Looks like we passed the 250K. Apex did change the cost of activation on the on the old account. Fortunately. You can see what my stop and target are here. It's always the same. Well, 99% of the time it's the same. 28 ticks, and like I would like to go for 30 ticks, but then there's a couple times I get missed by like a tick for take profit, and I just get so mad. So I just go back to 28 ticks. I started doing that with 9 ticks. I started doing that with 9 ticks, and graduated to 15 and 21, and I did 21 ticks because my funded futures had a minimal trade time or hold time. No, hold time and trade time is the same. Minimal hold time or minimal ticks, which was 5 points. So I did 21 ticks, and that was working. So then I went to like 22 ticks and 24 ticks and 25, and now I'm 28. I actually did 40 ticks for a while last year, just to get a better risk reward. But like I could be done trading for the day, right? It's like it doesn't take a lot of time out of my day, and it's great. It's not a program, it's a Rodecaster Duo. It's a mixer. It's by Rode. Obviously. Rodecaster Duo. It's what runs the mic as well, and the volume and everything. All right, letting the market settle for a little bit. I'm missing a level here. Yeah, let's see. Do I want to long this? I don't know if this was a big old trapezoo. Yeah, it's not holding. Let's try it. Did hold afterwards. It's very volatile right now, so things could go either way. Let's go. On to the next. I gotta actually trade my accounts that have payouts. Possible payouts. Which we have a bunch of those. Let's trade that first. This account could be getting a payout tonight if we want. You cannot use market orders on Apex and Q. No, that's Joshua. That's everywhere. Look how fast it's moving. What do you expect? You know, you're never gonna press the button exactly where you want it. You gotta use, you know, bid and ask at least. But even that, it's better to just use a mouse and trader and place the order where you want it. Like how fast this is. 40 points and like it's just bouncing up and down. Good morning, Bella. How we doing? But yeah, finally passed a 250K eval, guys. I'm gonna have a 250K legacy account with Apex. That is gonna run all the accounts. We're gonna use that as the main account. It varies. I mean, size is always one mini. It doesn't vary much. It's always one mini. But like this 50K is at $3,200 now, so it's more like a 100K account. So yeah, LUCID didn't work well. I only made $200. At least I didn't lose money. I want to take a look what the execution was. I don't know exactly which way we want to go yet. I don't have a bias. It did trap longs. Mr. Krister, good morning. Miss Trading, good morning. I don't know. I don't have those issues on Apex. I have those issues on Take Profit Trader and I guess Lucid, where the fills are kind of bad. Do I want these 820s? Andre, what's going on, man? I don't have any Red Bull. You guys know we need some Red Bull in here, right? Still waiting for that sponsorship, but I don't know. I just can't buy Red Bull in bulk because then it's dangerous. I have friends like, oh, just buy a case at Costco. I'm like, thing will be gone in 3 days. But I'll never forget, guys. I'll never forget. When I was a young boy and I used to work for a restaurant as a delivery driver, I said to myself, one day I hope to make enough money where I could go buy a Red Bull or two and not care about spending the money. Because back then we worked on tips, right? So you buy a Red Bull 2 for $4, it was like $4. So it's like, that's like one tip. That's like, you know, adds up every day. So now I'm here. So I'm talking to my future self from back then. Come on, Bella. It's okay, Mom. Ooh, 9:45 news. Yeah, caffeine's not the best for us. But I did research on them in school. Yeah, as long as you drink the sugar-free ones, obviously it's not as good as coffee for you, but it's really the caffeine that's the concern. That's why I always say if Red Bull made a caffeine-free version, I would drink it. That's how I would drink. Decaf. And I don't know why they don't. It would be the most... If they give me a sponsorship, that's the most genius idea they'll ever get from me. Make a placebo version of Red Bull. The 880 was nice. But market is definitely still moving like crazy, so. Okay, got rejected there. Come on. No. Damn it, guys. Got screwed on that one. We got screwed on that one. Big time fucking screwed. Unbelievable. Damn it, guys. So close to the target and we just get missed. That's unfortunate, isn't it? Forgot to short 920s. Damn it, I forgot to short 920s. So you can't get frustrated in trading, guys. Can't get frustrated in trading. You gotta just stay focused. I mean, I don't know if I would have been filled though. Probably would have missed me by like a tick. Market's moving beautifully though. It's what I want to see. Just rejections left and right. Do I take this 880 long or short? Do I just have to ignore that. Yeah, Bill Black, that's why I like. That's why I like. I like the chop. I've traded. So many people complained about the market last couple of days. I've been trading my best. So I don't do well in trending markets. Oh god, we blew right through 20. Still red on this account, so no Red Bull. Sip. Yeah, Raider, it's very true. It's like if you chase the market today, you're gonna get burned, right? So if I chase the market today and I get burned, why would I chase it the day it's trending? Like I don't know it's gonna trend till it's too late. In hindsight, it's easy. But in the day itself, like how do I know this was not gonna continue? You know, like it's easy in hindsight to say, oh, just long when it's going up. Like, yeah, go long when it's going up here and see what happens. It's always easy. But there's always people that struggle with one or the other for the most part. Right? If you're a trend trader, you're gonna struggle with these days. And people that trade the chop better are gonna struggle with the range day, with the trend days. And you know, I don't have to always struggle when I'm red. And you don't always have to struggle being red. You just struggle finding trades. Damn, if we got filled right there, guys, I mean, it was so close. This account would have been done for the day. Would have been done and requesting a payout. If I get 600 bucks on this account, I would request a payout today. We are short one more time. Stop should be above this high, but that's too much. Come on, reject it. Doesn't want to reject. Kind of just going up and down this account, so it's gonna be a tough one to. But you see, like I'm not as in tune with the market right now as I was, let's say, yesterday early. So like, I approach it a little bit differently. Just annoying that I'm getting. I'm getting stopped before it goes. But you see that the difference is between getting filled here. I mean, I got missed by like a tick, you know, like not tick, maybe a point. And the difference right there, getting filled and not getting filled, is tremendous for this account. Like it's getting a payout right now versus being down on the account. It's that's the difference between a point and NQ sometimes. That's how the difference is so marginal between getting a payout and not getting a payout. It's like golf. Every little shot matters. I would have been red on another account though. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I gotta wait. All right, let's see what we got. I ordered my stuff. Let's see. Definitely not reacting the way I wanted to or on the levels. So need to hopefully break out of this little range and start a range up here, maybe down here. We could retest 880. On Apex, Rhythmic is good. I had a little issue on Lucid. Oh, we do have ISM on the news folder. Okay. So let's wait till 10 o'clock. We got 1 minute and a half. So we got news when this strikes 0. So just wait. Twenty seconds. Yeah, then we're gonna tune into Pine Tree on My Fund the Futures to say hello.
Okay.
Trader, please give a very pine tree trade.
All right, here's the news. Ripperooski. Come on, let's get this win. And we get filled. There we go. We got filled. All right, back to break even. Should I take it one more time? That is kind of rejecting it. Just take that off for now. At least we made some. Would have had it, but it's okay. Would have had it, but damn, that's a lot of profit I missed that on. I thought just a little bit. That's another $130. But we're back to green. We're gonna wait for everyone to settle down and Pine Tree Stream and go say hello. Okay, we're gonna get a new candle here in 25 seconds. That is also the high of the ORB, 15-minute ORB, 970. So we're gonna see if it rejects one more time. I'll go short once again at 980 if I can. Damn. Could have made some cheddar, guys. Could have made some cheddar. What a rejection. What a rejection. What a beautiful rejection. Let's go. Sloth. That's nice. Was it repair on 30-minute? I don't watch the 30-minute. That's nice. I mainly traded 200-second chart. I barely look at the 10-minute. 10-minute just gives me more of a bias idea. I don't really look at patterns on 10-minute yet. Not good enough. Damn. I was thinking about 880s here. But we didn't get there. $980 short still could be a play. Although I don't like how this is getting bought up so fast. But I love this type of price action. I love. Because look how big the wicks are. So like if you just get your levels, it's like instant money. You're not waiting 5 minutes for your freaking trade. And it gives a lot of opportunities. You know, you don't miss one trade and then it's days over because it just keeps going higher. That's how I feel like on trending markets. Like you miss that one trade and it's like, oh, well, now I can't enter anymore because it's too late. Come on, I need one more winning trade on this account. Didn't you, Mr. Lime, did you just start trading 80-20? Why didn't you just, was that you who were just asking about it? I don't know if I'm mistaking it. Yeah, you were just asking about it yesterday. I knew it. No, but you've been talking about it. I don't get it. So weird. But yeah, you were asking about it yesterday, but you've been talking about it for a while. Does it help that we're still in the 15-minute range? I would say so. Like shorting up here and then buying down, I would never do that. I would be afraid. Like this looks so strong. So shorting this is kind of like, well, what are you doing? But then you do it and you're like, wow, it actually worked. Obviously, here I'm going to see if it rejects or not. I'm not going to just place the order because if it blows through it, I'm not going to bother. Or maybe it'll blow through it and then come back, then I'll enter. It did it. Rejected. See, is it going to blow through it though? It probably will. It's probably going to explode, yeah. Kind of what I wanted to avoid. Can't catch a break. 2 trades in a row on this account. Might be destined for red today. And this account must be destined for red. So many trades that were back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. What Ocala does is he ups the size. So now his trade will be 2 contracts instead of 1. So if he wins, he's going to win double what he lost. And that's how he keeps it in a better risk reward. For me, I don't have the confidence right now to do that. So what I'm doing is I'm going back to break even, then I'm losing. Going back to break even, then I'm losing. So I can't get those 2 trades in a row. And it's wasting a lot of my time. So today I might not get through even like half my accounts. Because by the time I get this account to green, it might take forever. And if I don't get this account to green, I'm not trading any other account. So it's like, you know, this account has a lot on the line right now. No, I'm not looking to buy 80 yet. No, it's too extended. If it gets a little higher, maybe. It could work. I'm not saying not, but like this 80 could bounce easily. But I could also just reject. Yeah, see? So there's definitely a lot more to it than just... No, he uses a 40 tick stop loss, but he'll get right back in. I can't do that. That'll put me on tilt, so I can't use a I can't use a 40 tick stop loss. You can't copy someone else's strategy, guys. You have to find your own version of it. For me, that's a tilt trigger. If I get stopped out and I get back in, I get stopped out. That's a tilt, because the trade's not invalidated yet, but I still get stopped out. That's just a big tilt trigger for me, so I can't do it. But he gets much bigger days because of that. Because he'll double up the size. Once you take 3-4 contracts, it adds up quick. The reason why I could stomach big losses is because I gave the trade its chance to work. A tight stop loss is not giving the chance of a trade to work. And I'm not a surgeon. I don't know exactly where the market's going to go. And to be so precise, to me, is just so hard. Right? I'd rather just enter in the right direction of the move, but not get chopped to death with little price correction. And that's what a tight stop is going to do. But that's why trading is so beautiful. Everyone's got their own preference. But we got to say hello to Pine Tree as well before he actually ends the stream.
Oops, wrong button.
But then the chat's going so fast over there, it's like impossible.
Kind of do that right around this 25,000 level.
I don't know how he's reading the chat. That shit's moving so fast. Actually, no, because I wasn't on. Okay.
For quite some time. I mean, if you just even go back even further into the beginning of the month, I mean, this 25,000 level has just been a magnet, and we just can't seem to break it or shake it. So we're looking for a trade here.
Oh, Miss K is over there too. That's why she's not in here.
If not, that's perfectly fine. I wanted to trigger on this candle, I think, and look for that reversal. But if not, then hey. So, guys, 60K subs, right? 60K subs. So they're doing a giveaway. I see that there's forms in the chat. So you guys want to fill those out?
Not sure what I want to do. It's not really cross sections. I guess this could be a cross section here, but so if we could maybe make a consolidation between 25 and 20 and 24,980, that would be a nice flag to kind of get a couple trades in before we break out or break down. If we get a big sell-off, hold on, I gotta text. Never mind. Yeah, so just waiting for something to develop where it's going to actually react. Right now, it's not reacting to the levels, so... I said hello, but he didn't see it, so... It's a busy chat in there. He's busy. He is busy over there, so I said hello, Moto Timo, but unfortunately did not see it. We'll try again tomorrow. I don't want to spam the chat. All right, let's see. 25.20 approaching. 25.80 has a lot of resistance. That'll be a good area. I feel like I just need a bigger target on one of these trades to really make a difference. I think that's what would make a big difference today. If I just get more than like 15 points, maybe if I could get like 25 points on the trade. Let's see, can we get rejection? Not really. Not really. Well, it's slow. It's rejecting a little bit, but not really the way I want to. Let's see, can we get filled? I feel like long trades are going to be a lot easier today. We just got to get to support, and I haven't been able to get any longs for the most part. And it's going to be another loss. All right, so this account's probably destined for red today. We need next trade to be a winner. Otherwise, I don't know if I'm going to continue trading. Don't want to. This is a payout account, so don't want to blow it. And I'm not reading the price well today, at least not in the first hour. So there's nothing to force. Just wait for pullbacks. Wait for pullbacks and take longs. I think the market just wants to go higher right now, and it's shown that over the time. So since yesterday, so I'm just gonna focus on longs for a couple trades, and hopefully we get a pullback to one of the levels. If we don't, then I'll miss the move. But that's what I love about this. If it's not working, I'm not ruining a lot of accounts. I'm down $500 in one account, and what? I might be done for the day. Most likely not. But right now, I'm not eager to trade. Right now, the things are not clicking. And we had a good 3 days in a row, and if we take one day off, so be it. As long as we don't do damage, right? That is something that is very hard for me, not to do damage. But 25.80 would be a good short. But again, it's just ripping higher. It's like, who wants to short this? You know? It's not rejecting anymore. It's a complete different, like someone mentioned the 15-minute. Yeah, in the 15-minute it was rejecting. Here it's not rejecting. This is just a straight up rip. But at 25.80, I might take one more stab. This might be the final stab. I need to take one long. I need to have a room for one long when it gets there. I'll go for 10 points. $20 points, sorry. Did I say tape 10 points? Come on, just reject NQ. Like, it's so difficult for you to do like a little bit of a pullback. New candle. Let's see if that helps us. Got 10 points, but I don't feel like taking off 10 points because 10 points does nothing for me. Rejecting a little bit. We get a fork set up here. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Damn, she's struggling so hard. Nope. What was the high? Okay, 101. No, I just won't have. Just won't do it. I'm gonna pull back eventually, but I need some kind of range or something first. All right, guys, that's it for me for now. I'll take a break, come back. I'm gonna make breakfast. Oh, why does this always happen when I'm one trade away from a payout? Why? This is why Take Profit Trader is the #1 prop firm in the world. Oh, don't have to worry about that ever. Once you're at a payout at Take Profit Trader, you fucking take it out. Here I worked so hard for this payout and it's pretty much erased. Now I gotta work a couple extra days to even get close to making it back. Gotta love it. I'm not gonna take a trade on this account. I'm gonna trade bull. I don't feel like drawing the lines. I'll just trade one of the fresh PAs because they're on the monthly. I get a bounce. First bounce. All right, so 15-minute, 15 point trade would have won. But since I'm going for 20, I might lose, which will be pretty funny. Yeah, we have a cross here. Oh, no, I don't want 4 contracts. Oh, well. This is a brand new PA account. Might as well do some damage to it. So it's still holding it. But and tight stop is killing me. Oh, this account's gonna get destroyed. Look at this. Oh my fucking god, the tight stops. I don't know how people do it. All right, this is the final account, guys. This is the final account of the day. We blow it or we turn it green. I guess we're blowing it. Just not having a good day. It's no secret there. It's all right. Be short stream. I just wish the golf courses were open because I would be playing golf right now in about 45 minutes. This is still valid trade. What the fuck? How many times do I need to get stopped out? Just dump it already. Yeah, Nutty's got it good. I should be okay to golf next week. Like, definitely by next weekend. Like the 13th, definitely. But hopefully midweek. It's gonna be so packed. Do I have a live account with Phidias? I have it. I just don't have it. Don't have it funded. But I can send money into it and trade it. Like the profits I took out from the sim accounts, I could. I love golfing. It's my favorite thing to do. I don't really give a crap what traders like to do. Right? It's personal preference. If you tell me, oh, let's go fishing, I'll be like, dude, oh, let's go on the boat. No. Like, that's not me. Like, I hate it. Waste of my time. But golfing, on the other hand, I've been trading for 10 years. I just picked up golf last summer. Has nothing to do with trading, in my opinion. Car washes are always packed on like a nicer day. Luckily, we're getting rain. I'm very happy. If Patrick asked you to go fishing, would you go? No. I'd rather go to the BDH and take the cars for a spin. That'll be more fun. What was I talking about? Oh, the rain. Like, we're getting some rain now. It's perfect because it washes all the salt away. That's what we need. For me to drive my car all the time, I need the salt to be gone. Yeah, boats and fishing is not for me. And people love it. That's the thing. It's like, that was just my response to someone like, oh, why would you golf? Just because you're a trader? No, like golf, if you don't like golf, you're not gonna enjoy it. Golf is such a difficult sport and activity that if you don't practice and put time into it, you're gonna hate it unless you just go there to get drunk. Otherwise, it will get so boring. If you can't hit the ball and you're not into it, it's the most boring thing ever. And until that one shot, and then you're like, wow. Like yesterday in the sim, I had one of my best days ever. I was texting Nutty, I'm like, and Tim, I was like, I am playing so well today. I'm gonna be chasing this feeling for a long time. Like, I bet you I'm gonna go play a sim today, and it's not gonna be the same. And I'm gonna be like, what did I do different yesterday than what I'm doing today? It feels the same, but it's not. What about soccer, baseball, basketball? I'm too old for those activities. Used to play soccer all the time. I played soccer. I don't know. It was like right before COVID, I thought I was gonna die. For soccer, you have to be so conditioned. If you stop playing and you stop running, you can't play soccer. Soccer is so hard. I can't run that long. Like, I really thought I was gonna die. I had to, I had to tell him I'm gonna be a goalie because I can't do this. This was like a fill-in spot. I filled in for someone. I was like, oh yeah. I love soccer though. Almighty, today's a shitty day. Very shitty day. One of my worst days in the last 4 weeks, I would say. I had one bad day. I remember. But this is the second one. It's gonna be a short day unless we turn this account to green. If this account does not turn green, I'm done for the day. Golf so much like trading. One day you got it, next day you don't. Yep. Yeah, the conditioning of soccer players is insane. Basketball as well, but pickup basketball is a little bit easier because usually you play half court. Soccer and hockey are just full speed nonstop, so it's like it's tough. Golf is nice, especially when you walk. I'm gonna be walking a lot this year because I was walking a lot in the winter because the golf carts were not allowed because the ground was too soft. And walking the golf course is so refreshing. You're like 15,000 steps, and just like if it's a nice day out. If it's hot, of course, I'm gonna ride a cart. Yeah, I've just never played baseball, so I like baseball, but I've never played it. I got into baseball very late in my life. Let's see. So where my cursor is, that would be the original take profit. 15 points. If I took it at the right spot, 80. I'm a little lower, so. I get stopped out again. How many losses in a row did I take already? This might be a record for the 80-20 losses in a row. Might be a record, boys. All right. It's rejecting though. Let's just use a little bit bigger stop. One trade's got to hit, right? Come on. Don't fucking tease me like that. Oh, this is a perfect time to talk about trailing drawdown. There's no trailing drawdown on this account. So if this trade comes back to break even, I didn't lose any trailing drawdown. If this doesn't fit me, it's just gonna be a perfect summary of today. All right, I'm not gonna be greedy for a tick. New end of day. Let me see the website. I don't even know exactly. I thought it was $99 for activation. Trying to find the fees on the website and I can't find it. Did anyone find the website with the payment? Pine Tree, we said hello to you on the stream, but you were too busy for us. Yeah, miss, I'm not trying to be greedy at this point. Plus, I'm looking at Apex's website, trying to find the activation fees, and I can't find them. I must be blind. Yeah, but that's on Nutty's Twitter. I'm trying to find it on their website. So well, that's direct source. We got to find direct source at this point. All right, 50K one-time fee. $99, yeah. So you're saying you paid 125? 99. $125 might be for the legacy account. But the 150Ks legacy were $185 or $189. So I activated them monthly. So unfortunately, all the accounts I have that I'm close to passing and whatnot, because because I'm building up to 20 accounts. They're gonna be all monthly, so I'm gonna be aggressive on those accounts, like this account, for example. All right, 120s. That's crazy. Market's so strong. What do you mean get people? It should be 99. People are saying they paid 99. Tyler, I'm having terrible day. Terrible day. One of my worst. Of course, the day of the payout, it's always this way. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Just a reminder is like, take the money when you have it. Wanted to get a little bit more money on this account to get a payout. Fucking could not get a trade. I lost the trade, I won the trade. I lost the trade, I won the trade. I lost the trade, I won a trade, and lost the trade, lost the trade, lost the trade. So could not get 2 wins in a row to get me to green. It was so frustrating. And I doubled the size on one trade and lost big. It was doing well in this chop, and now I just can't find. There is no more monthly fees on Apex. Thing is, it's just not respecting the levels today, so gotta be very selective, I guess. But yeah, there's no monthly fees on Apex. Not anymore. No more monthly fees. Yeah, this is tough spot to long for sure. I don't know. I just suck with trend trading. No secret. I mean, I would have longed this if it just fucking went down to 20. That's all I needed. Or this cross. 33. That's all I needed. But of course, I don't get it. Because it's like that. When you need a winning trade, it's just not going to come. You have to be organic. How do you have QUANTOWER order tile and position tile in the middle of the chart? There's a setting. So you go to settings, visual trading, and then go to the bottom here and then offset. So you could place an order. All right, you could place an order, and then if you go here, you can move that. So it's called the offset. I hate when it's all the way to the left. Hate that. I want it to be as close as possible to the candles, just not in the way of the candles. That's why halfway is kind of good. Can you send me a screenshot, fix art? Can you send me a screenshot of the payment of 125? I'll reach out and see what the hell's going on. This is my email here. Just send me a picture of it. You're welcome. My trade of 8 while trading take profit trader has substantial slippage. I don't know. Trade of 8 did have some issues recently, didn't they? I wonder if that's still like the... But you have slippage on what? Like stops? Almighty. Thank you, brother. You don't have to donate. Glad they could get it fixed. Yeah, that was the holiday trading issue. That's kind of weird. That was weird. Okay. Can we form some kind of like a channel? That. I'm gonna switch over to end of day, but I would have to blow these accounts first. I have too many accounts. Not all of them, obviously. Once I start, if I blow them, then like this account might get blown today. Who knows? I mean, look how many losses I took right here. That's crazy. So just taking one loss took 1 million. I took a loss here. Ended up winning on the trade. I'm just mad about my take profit trader account. I mean, take profit trader. About my payout account. Not take profit trader. Didn't touch my take profit trader yet. But right here, that was a payout account, guys. Almighty. Well, I'm glad it worked out, though. I'm glad it worked out. So on Take Profit Trader, yes, you don't want to trade the opening range trade. It lags. The Take Profit Trader rhythmic lags at the open. I don't recommend trading the first few minutes. I'm not sure why, but sometimes you'll notice on my stream, like if one of these, let's say I didn't have it, but sometimes I'll have this under like TPT connection. So you'll see me trade this chart and you'll see these charts turn red. But I had an issue with Lucid as well. Miss K wants that Snickers. King size. Yeah, I got it. Let me see. Yeah, I'll ask. I see it. Let's see what they say. Matthew, pretty much, yeah. Pretty much. You understand that correctly. Definitely a big change, but doesn't really affect most of us, right? All the time. Like the dream of making $1 million in one payout is gone, but God, these tight stops make me so worried. Just can't do it. I just fucking can't do it today, guys. Nothing's working. I'm longing when I should be shorting, and I'm shorting when I should be longing. Nope. Bolnox is not against Orbi. Yeah, but Matthew, now you're worried about the wrong thing. If you only took out 59K from Apex, you could still take out 400,000. They got a long ways to go, bud. Don't worry about climbing the Mount Everest. Start with a smaller mountain first. Mount Everest is not there anymore, but K2 is, if you know anything about climbing. And that's just per account. Who says you can't have more than 20 accounts? They're not saying you're gonna get banned. You might get put on live, or you just start a fresh account. Unfortunately, got missed. See if this is gonna touch me. 81 more time. Unbelievable. Just well, Matthew, you could thank the guys that were running up the accounts and using there to promote their discords and social media for it. That's what caused it. People were not caring anymore about the accounts, just running them up. I just can't trade today, guys. I fucking can't do it anymore. I'm gonna blow this account and I'm gonna call it a day. This is the most brutal price action I've experienced in a week or so, so I'll take it. I'll take it. Once a week or once every couple weeks, it's gonna happen. Just have no confidence which way this fucking market wants to go, and I'm using way too tight of stops. Look at this. 10 points gone in a fucking second. And comes right back down. It makes absolutely no fucking sense. Once I get down to $1,500 in drawdown, I'm not stopping out. That's how much I could risk without risking the MAE. This price action is absolutely terrible for me. Look, I still should be in this trade, but I'm not because my stops are way too tight. And it's putting me on mini tilt. It's now or never, chat. Would have been fine, but unfortunately we took so many losses that I'm gonna try to make a bigger target out of this. I can't use tight stops. Can't do it. Makes me sick. This makes me even sicker. What a disaster. What a disaster today turned out to be. All because of a couple ticks. And it's getting bought up left and right. Longs are definitely in control for now. If we break some structure, then maybe the shorts will take over, or we gotta just trap the longs one more time. Right now, longs are pretty comfortable. It's gonna be a short day for me. I know it. This is gonna pop up, stop me out. I'm gonna re-enter one last time, and it's gonna be the final trade. You know this is popping right up to 95. They told me you have to send in a support ticket because it must be a glitch or something on your end, because that should be a legacy account cost. Come on. Breakthrough. Well, I don't mind the chop. I actually don't mind the chop. It's the trend that's bothering me, Tyler. This is what killed me. Now I'm just kind of trying to go for a bigger win, but this is a winning trade. I'm just holding for a big target. Yeah, the opening one was really good. That's why I'm green on some of the accounts, because of the open. Mm-hmm. It's just frustrating because it's today I would have requested a payout on Apex and just got ran over. Not even. I was doing fine. Just getting missed by a couple ticks. It's kind of the same situation as this. I keep going down negative 2,500 down to negative 1,500 and back up and down. It's the same thing what happened on the other account. If I get tagged out here, I'm gonna get right back in if it fails, and that's gonna be well, it's still not gonna be the final trade because we got more drawdown. But I'm assuming it's gonna just tap me out right here. If it continues higher, then I won't re-enter till 120. But if it rejects right away, I'm entering right in. With a beautiful false breakout right here over 93. Didn't really reject. So insane. Still not rejecting. At that cross section there, right where my stop is. If I get filled here for my TP, that'll give me, I'll be down like 1,000. Deviating from the process a little bit right now. So I should be out. I mean, I'm up 20 points, 25 points. It's target's 15. I'm just trying to catch that bigger trade because so many times I will, take 15 points and it goes like a mile. Today is not the case. Today is not the case. Can't get anything comfortably. Everything I get is a struggle. All right. Still in the middle of this. We're going to go up or down 20 points from here, or 30 points. Oh, I added. I forgot that I had an ad. Come on, reject. Why do we have to retest the highs? If I would have longed, it would never retest. Come on. Fucking this account is gonna just never win. Can never win. Could just never freaking win. But like I said, this trade was a winner. I just got greedy on it. So I'm making mistakes mentally now where I'm trading the PNL instead of trading the setups. The setups have a high win ratio because of the 15-point target. I'm going to lose on this trade. when I should have won. I was up well more than my target, and I'm still going to lose on this trade because I just got greedy. I got greedy. Down to 2,200, broke even. I just had 25 points. I just had $1,500 and I didn't take it. And one more time, the stop is too tight. I'm just gonna keep trading this account till I'm done. The sooner I'm done with this, the sooner I get to take off for the day. No matter what, I'm done trading for the day after this account. Whether I win or lose, it does not matter. I'm trading like total crap. So I will not continue trading any other accounts for the day. Just want to add even more. One more. I'm not getting chopped up. I feel like it's actually going really straight forward, straight up, straight down. It's just not respecting the levels I want. So that's it. It's all good, guys. It's one account, 120, no, $85. 85 fucking dollars. You think I care? No. It's perfect. This is why we have prop firms. This is why we have prop firms, guys. This is why we have prop firms. I did damage to one account and one is red. Who cares? In the long scheme of things, who cares? As long as you recognize it and you don't carry that damage into the other accounts. That is the only thing that we could do. I'm not trading well. I have to shut it down. There's no reason to keep trading today. It's going to be a waste of my time, just aggravation, and we're going to get back at it tomorrow. No, I don't care about the account. I care about not trading well. Yes, I do care about that. Because now I'm not getting my daily payouts today and all that. So that's why I'm mad. I'm not mad about losing one account. Two different things. I'm not mad about this account. I'm mad that I can't trade my Take Profit Trader account and that I am not going to get a payout on the payout day with this account. I'm very frustrated today. That's why I have to call it a day. I'm going for massive targets that don't work out. Massive targets that just don't work out every time. Could have been down just $1,000 right now. Just gonna let this go. It's either gonna give us $3,000 or we're gonna blow. Yep, short memory. Go play some golf and get right back on it tomorrow. Today is just not the day. It's just what the market chose not to respect 80 and 20 levels, which is what I play by, and that's fine. Got my ORB. If I didn't get my ORB, then that would have sucked. But I got my ORB today, so that's good. This is the final trade of the day, guys. Win or lose, most likely. Unless I just take it off for Nope. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Today was not a good day, but mentally we have to be strong. And oh wait, we're still in. We're $100 away from blowing it, and we're still in. We're still in the fight. Take private, pull out 2K from Apex. Do you still need 54K in the account, or is it 52K now? TP pull out 2K. Oh, so to pull out 2K, you still need 54. Yes, you need same thing, 4,100. So that has not changed. But you can't take out 2K anymore from 50K in the first payout. It's actually only 1,500. It's only 1,500. I think first 2 payouts. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Blue one account, and I got a color today. One of my worst trading days that I can remember. So that means it's been a good stretch. It's been a good stretch. We've been on a heater since come back from Florida, and today was just not the day. Gotta regroup, refocus, go play some golf, and I'm not gonna look at the market. Maybe I'll look at it for power hour, but that's it. All right, guys, I will talk to you all tomorrow, and see you guys on the recap. Yeah, don't overtrade. If you guys are not doing well, don't overtrade. You know, don't hurt other accounts. One account is fine. Don't let it spread to other accounts. That is not the way to do it. Spread it to the other accounts when things are going well. When things are not going well, it's better to shut off. And I knew it from the very beginning. From this account, I just knew today was not the day. But we tried one more account because this account is something that we could get payouts from. So I'm not going to damage this account. I'm not going to blow it. I'm going to just let it be negative 1,300. We could make it back in, a couple days, and then get back to payout in later next week. I will have to flip bull knocks before the end of the day. Otherwise, I will not get a payout next week. So we have to flip those, and then that's it. So I'll see you guys on the recap. I'll make a recap at 4 o'clock. All right. I'm going to go play a round of golf. I had a really, really good time yesterday. I wish I could stream it, but unfortunately don't have the way of doing it right now because the computer does lag once I stream from it and gets hot. So I got to figure out how I could do that. But for now, I'm just going to go play and enjoy. New highs on the market, so go figure. Good longs, but just never gave me the opportunity to long, so I missed that. If it gave me a good opportunity to long, we would be in a way different spot. But the market never gave me a chance to long based on my system, so had to short, and didn't have to short, but had to I had 25 points here. So again, it's all self-inflicted. Some things worked, some things didn't. Tight stops are not for me, so we're gonna have to remove those because that's where the most damage got done. But anyway, I'll see you guys on the recap. We'll talk about all this on the recap.